Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious cauliflower soup that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious cauliflower soup, these are the ingredients. Of course, the star, the cauliflower, celery, spinach, tomatoes, potato, 2 bay leaves, 3 garlic cloves, 1/4 of an onion, salt, black pepper, cumin, and paprika. This is everything we need to enjoy an amazing and delicious, healthy cauliflower soup. So let's get started. I want to start here with the celery. Remember, the celery really has such a delicious flavor. I have 3 little sticks of celery that I'm going to slice through the center, and then I am ready to cube it nice and small. The celery is really going to give the caldo an amazing and delicious flavor. Look at this. Now that it's nice and cubed, I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to continue with the 1/4 of an onion. I'm going to cut it, dice it very small so that it really releases all those amazing and delicious flavors. This soup is perfect for these cold weathers. Let me tell you, nice and warm, nice and delicious, nice and healthy. Of course, the tomato, I'm going to cube it the same way. You really want your ingredients to incorporate, to really release those amazing and delicious flavors, earthy flavors. And now, of course, I have my spinach. I have 1 bunch of spinach that I have rinsed very well, disinfected, and now I'm just going to cube it just like this. You don't want to cut it in so small little pieces. Medium pieces is fine. It looks a lot, but once you add it to your soup, it's going to reduce. And here I have the florets, the cauliflower florets that I'm going to remove the stems. And now, of course, I am going to cut them in bite sizes. Let me tell you, I really love this soup because the florets are going to be al dente. They're really going to absorb all those amazing flavors that we're going to add in this amazing soup. But once you have all your florets nice and cut, I'm going to transfer it to a plate. And of course, we are going to add some garlic into this amazing soup. I have my potatoes. I am going to go ahead and start taking the skin of the potato and then cubing the potato. Make sure that your potatoes are nice and small, medium size. If you leave them too large, they're going to take longer to cook. And if you cut them in medium or small sizes, they're going to cook much faster and they're going to absorb all those flavors. I am ready to transfer them. Of course, I have my 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to wake up by smashing them just like this. When you smash them, you wake up those flavors, and at the same time, it's easy to remove the skin. Once you remove the skin, you're ready to really dice really small, making sure that your garlic really release all those amazing flavors. Look at this. Now I have all my veggies ready to go, nice and cut, and of course my spices: salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, cumin, 2 bay leaves. That's very important. The bay leaves are really going to release the earthy flavor into the soup. Well, this is ready. Let's go to the stove and let's start making this amazing and delicious soup. Before we go to the stove, I have the salt. I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. The smoked paprika is going to give it a smoky flavor plus color. So now I am ready to go. On the stove, I have a pan. I'm going to add some vegetable oil. The first thing that's going to go in here is the onion, the celery, and the garlic. This is really going to start cooking, start releasing those amazing flavors. Once you start smelling those flavors in your kitchen is really with all those aromas, you're ready to add your tomato. Add your tomato, mix it very well. Once it's nice and incorporated, then of course we're going to add our spices. Look at this. The smoked paprika is going to make this broth nice and red. And right in the center, 1 tablespoon of butter. Look at this. Once it's nice and dissolved, we're going to go ahead and add the potatoes. You know that the potatoes are the ones that take longer to cook. So once you add your potatoes, incorporate them really good, and then add your water. Just enough to cover the veggies. Mix it very well. And of course, I am going to add the Baileys, cover it, let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And right on 5 minutes, your potatoes should be al dente. Now you're ready to start adding and tasting your broth. I'm adding my cauliflower florets. Cook it for about 2 minutes until it starts boiling one more time. Don't forget to add a serrano chile. And now your spinach. Once you add your spinach, just cook it for 2 minutes. No longer than that. You don't want your spinach to really reduce or really pull apart. You want your spinach to still be nice and green, just like this. Once the spinach has already absorb those liquids, turn it off, and you're ready to plate. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. This is a very healthy and delicious cauliflower soup that I know you guys are going to love. Look at this. I love spicy food, so I added a serrano chili. I'm ready for the presentation. Can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. With this amazing cauliflower soup, of course, made at home with lots of love. Excuse me. So delicious. Let me tell you, once you make it, you're really going to love it. Excuse me. Perfect for this cold weather. If you like and love this amazing cauliflower soup, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious, heartwarming cauliflower soup. See you soon. Bye-bye.